A very good day to everyone. My name is Kathy with matric number 271613 and my supervisor is Dr. Nor Adila Noti. The title of my project is Facial Emotions Recognition System. As we know, face detections can identify and verify faces from images, videos, and other forms of face graphic. It tracks facial features, contrasts, and textures to analyze individuals' unique biometry and demographic details. Humans can express thousands of facial expressions, all of which vary in intensity, complexity, and meaning. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, most physical learning has been changed to online learning modes. Therefore, it's difficult for lecturers to understand the student emotions in the teaching process, and some emotions constitute obstacles to student classroom participation and test score. Besides, most of the time, students will feel bored and cannot concentrate in the class because they are not interested in the lecturer's learning modes, but the lecturers do not know as they cannot see the emotion of the student when having the online classes. Therefore, the aim of this project is to assist the lecturer and student to know and understand their emotions better during the class hour in order to help them enhance their teaching method for the lecturer and some learning habits for the student. The project objective is to let the user, which the student, to conduct the emotion detections during the class hour. Besides, to let the user, which the students, submit the report of the detections after the class hour. And the last is to let the user, which is the lecturer, read the report of the emotion detections of their student. The methodology that has been used in this project is interactive development. The reason for using this method is because the requirements are not well defined, but it's easy to understand. Besides, there may be the needs to change or add on the requirements in the future. The figure below shows the project of the interactive development, which is this figure. They show the step of the interactive development. By having these inventions, we can be sure that the academic institutions tend to benefit the most. This because with the present inventions, the lecturer can better understand the emotion of the student in the classroom. And by understanding the emotions of the student, a more suitable learning method can be prepared and the quality of the student's learning can be improved. For the project finding, there are a total number of 30 participants participate in these evaluations based on the usefulness of the system, user satisfactions, and also the ease of use of the system. Overall, participants were satisfied with the functionality and the performance of the system, as the average scales of each evaluations is around 4.5 to 4.6, which we can refer to this graph. And there are also some suggestions for the improvement in the future, such as adding a time interval functions in the emotion detections project. Okay, so I think that's all for the poster, and now we will jump to the demo of this project. Okay, so this is the sign up form for this system. If you haven't had an account, you can fill in the sign up form. If you already have the account, you just click the login here. Okay, so for example, in the login here, they have the choice for the student and lecturer. So we run for the student first. Okay, so when you are looking at the student, they will jump to this is the home page, and there are several functions that can be used by the student, which the home, manage class, start detections, and the view reports. Okay, so let's jump to for the manage class, they are the join class. For this join class, you just need to click in the full name, and the class name is the class that has created by the lecturer. For example, the class name is STIS1123. Okay, just click the join class. Okay, so means that you already joined the class, and for the next function is the start detections. For the start detection functions, okay. So this is the start detection function. So when the system that detects your face, it will show that you are happy, neutral, and angry or something else. For example, it will based on your biometric. For example, now it will show that like I'm surprised. You can see the figure show in here. Okay. So for the last function for the student is the view reports. Okay, so for the view report, when a student they have finished the detections, they need to click in their full name. Their class name for the just now is STIS1123. And for the first questions, they feel like emotion, like for example, they are happy, what they feel like they are so far so good. And for the third question is any part do not understand. Okay, overall understand. Okay, so they just need to click the submit the reports. It will show that your report has been submitted successful. Then they have to if they want to log out, they can log out, or they want to back to the home, they click the home button. So now we log out first to log in as a lecturer. Okay, so now we log in for the lecturer. Okay, so this is a part for the lecturer. It will for the homepage is same as the student ones. For the lecturer, they have the three for the managed class, they have the three sub functions like the create class, assisting class, and the list class, and start detection also. And for the last is a view report. So we just the create class first. So this is a class they need to create by the lecturer. For example, the lecturer they want to create the class name is STIS1111. So they just need the create class. Okay, so for now, if they forget what the class they have been created, they can go to the existing class to check that which class they have been created. For example, for the time which is from the July 1st of July to today, we just click the filter. So it will show that the class they have created for example, just now that we have created is the class STIS111. For example, if the student, for example, if the lecturer, they want to like search a specific class only, they can just type in here, 1111. So it will click search, so it will show the only class of only the class name. Okay, so for the next is the list class. For this list class is to check the information of the student that have joined their class. For example, we search also this, we click the filter. Okay, so for example, we can see that who have joined the class. For example, just now we have clicked in is the join the class 1123, so it will show at here. And they can also search for the specific class also like this. So it will show one class on it, and it is the student name and the email of the student. Okay, so for the start detections is also same as the student detections, and for the view report, we can see for the view report is the lecturer that can view the report for the student that they have hand-ins. For example, we also search for the 1st of July to 20th of July, we get a filter. Okay, so it will show the detail of the student and then their submit there and their emotion, feeling, summary, and so on. Okay, so I think that's all for my presentation. So thank you.